Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. I got something in. Got this box right here. Open it up really quick and show you, then we're going to take it up on the table and show you up close real quick. Hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Should have used a sharper X-Acto blade here. Let's go. Alright, that should be good enough. Don't worry, I'll lift it up so you can see it. Lunchbox EVO. Let's take her to the bench. I'll show you it up close. Alright, here she is, guys. Try to unbox this. We're all hoping this beauty here is the lunchbox we all dreamed of. I know I modified mine a lot like crazy, these hopper chassis, and you just never could get them to work the way you wished and dreamed. Maybe now this one will be good. I got a 1060 ASE. I wish they just put Dean's plugs on these at least. Anyhow, some suspension parts, nice rubbery flexible type. Good old yellow wheels. Tires, nice fresh new beauties. Can you smell them? These ones are kind of burnt smelling. I think they overcooked them. Uh-oh, they may be the kind that dry out and get cracky after a while. We'll have to see about that. Front piece here. You know I'm never getting it back in the box. Windshield. And stuff like that. More beautiful tires. Chrome tidbits. Some more suspension parts. Front unit. I don't know what the hell these are. Something new. Cool body. Already done in the yellow. I'm gonna do something with this here different. I'm not gonna do a Vanessa's lunchbox with mine. It's gonna be something else. So stay tuned for that. There's the chassis, same as the old one almost. Just a little bit of mods to it. Gearbox. Looks the same. I think there's one little extra hole in it. And then, ugh, I don't like the new Vanessa. Anyone out there agree? There's all the parts. There's the nice motor. What's in here? Shocks. They give you oil shocks. I think full ball bearings with this kit, so that's nice. It's a miracle. You never, ever hardly see that. Let's see what else we got in here. We got your instruction booklet. Doesn't look too hard. See the decals. Ooh, they give you an antenna tube. There's the decals. I'm not going to use them. not going to use these. Ugh. It's nasty. I don't like her one bit. No good. Old school Vanessa, she was much better. But anyhow, I'm going to do something different with mine. And I'm probably not going to do a build video because everyone and their grandma already did one. And I just don't feel like it. I'll just show you when it's finished, I guess, and you'll see what I did with the body here. This body feels different. It feels more flexible to me than the stock stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm dreaming. Maybe I'm dreaming. I'll never get this back, guys. Anyhow, that's the EVO. And you'll see what I end up doing with it. I hope it works like the lunchbox I always dreamed of. If it does, it'll be awesome. This stuff ain't going back. What the hell? There it is, guys. The new Lunchbox EVO. I don't know when I'm going to be building it. Like I said, I doubt I'm doing a build video. I'll just show you when it's completed. I'm not doing the Vanessa Lunchbox stuff on it. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And then, you know me, after we build it, I run it and see how it runs and let you know what I think about it. But after seeing it going on other people's videos, looks a lot better than the old school stock one we always have. So, alright guys, that's it with this beauty, and I'll see you guys next time.